The best way to think about blockchain is it's the most secure implementation of a database ever conceived that exists in a distributed manner and is really a ledger of what happened and when, tracked over time as things get added to the database. Verifiable over time, verifiable by multiple different parties, accessible by those parties over time. So you begin to lose this concept of one organization owns my data, one organization controls it, and I need to trust what they're saying about it. And not that, people in manufacturing are untrustworthy. They are. It's more, how do you validate that the data is right if there's a question? Because not everybody has equal and equivalent access to all the business systems that would have to be deployed to do this today in the traditional sense. You eliminate all that complexity, you eliminate all that interoperability challenge when you move to a technology like blockchain. And we've identified that as a market opportunity. We've built an infrastructure around that, and we've solved some of the challenges with doing so and really tailoring and molding it into a solution that's absolutely suitable for the types of OEMs that we've worked with for the past 20 years. Right? We understand the needs. We've taken this new concept, this new technology, and applied it to create new business models, new value propositions in an industry we have a tremendous amount of experience working in.